How to disable camera in Android phone completely. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this process, what you can simply do is just go to the settings of your device, and as you tap on settings of your device, you can just scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps. After going to manage apps, here you can just search for the camera application on the search bar, or you can wait until it loads. Now as it has already been loaded, you can just tap on the camera option over here, and here you can just tap on the app permissions. Now as you tap on the app permissions, you can see all the options has been toggled on. Now if you do not want to enable the camera in Android phone, then you can just go on to every option over here and tap on don't allow. Go back and then go for every option. And in this way, you'll be able to disable the camera in Android phone completely. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.